Discover this beautifully maintained home, cherished by its original owners since 1998. Located on a scenic cul-de-sac lot, this property features a well-designed layout and is eagerly awaiting its next owner. Some key features of this home include 3 bedrooms, plus a versatile loft, as well as 2 spacious living areas, including a cozy family room with a gas fireplace. The ensuite master bedroom with a walk-in closet, jetted garden tub, and separate shower are a gem in this home. Gorgeous natural woodwork detail and abundant natural light can be found throughout. The kitchen boasts elegant granite countertops, an island with breakfast bar area, and access to the outdoor oasis. Step out to the patio and enjoy the included pergola and secluded yard, creating a private sanctuary with a tree-lined backyard for added privacy. This beautiful home features various recent updates, making it move-in ready for you. Enjoy the 2-car garage with an extension for extra space, perfect for lawn equipment, hobbies, crafts, and more. Is a new home on your 2025 vision board? Call Jim Owen to make your homeowner dreams come true.